Hey folks, today we'll be talking about Unifi Mesh Pro access point. Actually, accidentally we damaged the reset button and we couldn't find any solution to reset it. So we decided to open the box and do it manually. So here's the open box. You can see the board right now. There are 3 plus 3, 6 antennas are there. 3 are 2 gigahertz and other 3 are 2.4. No, those are 5 gigahertz. Yeah, that's why they call it 3x3 MIMO. Alright, anyways, you can see the board now. If I flip the side, you will be able to see the reset button, which is already broken. I'm going to use my screwdriver to make this circuit short and keep it the way normally you used to reset it. Press and hold for approximately like 10 to 15 seconds, and once the light stops glowing, you can take it off and turn it on again. You're gonna find it reset. Well, now what we're gonna do is I already have controller installed in my computer. Let's check it out now. Alright, there we go. So we have our access point right now, pending adoption. I'm going to click adopt. Start provisioning. We're talking about Unifi here. Hit like and subscribe if you like the video, and comment if anything else you wanted to ask. Thank you. See you later.